Imagine asking AI two questions. Is this email spam? And how much is this house worth? The answers require two completely different machine learning approaches. Classification is all about choosing the correct category. Cat or dog? Spam or not spam? Yes or no? If AI selects from a fixed set of categories, it's a classification problem. Output, yes or no? But what if the answer isn't a category? What if AI must predict an exact value? Regression equals predict a number. When the answer can be any number, you're dealing with regression. Regression. Remember this simple rule. Classification predicts categories. Regression predicts numbers. That's the core difference.